You might not believe it, but you can earn additional income turning music into money. How, you ask? Well, we'll first have to introduce you to our new friends today, 3upload.com and mixkit.co. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Setting up 3upload.com. Get started by signing up on 3upload.com. This website offers an incredible opportunity to earn money by sharing music files. To create an account, simply visit their website and locate the registration page. Fill in your details like your username, password, and email address. Make sure to use a valid email, as this will be crucial for communication and receiving your earnings. Once you've successfully signed up, you're ready to embark on your journey to making over $150 per day online just by listening to songs. Let's move on to the next step in our money-making adventure. Step 2. Get music from mixkit.co. Now here come the songs. Downloading music is a breeze. Head over to mixkit.co, a fantastic resource for free music tracks. The best part? You can download these songs without the hassle of attribution or signing up. Mixkit.co offers a vast collection of songs spanning various genres, ensuring you'll find something that suits your taste and style. Whether it's pop, rock, electronic, or jazz, there's a plethora of options to explore. Simply browse to the website, choose the tracks you like, and hit the download button. Now, if 3upload.com is your bread, then mixkit.co is your butter, and it's time to prepare that money sandwich. Step 3. Upload to 3upload.com. Once you've downloaded your favorite music tracks from mixkit.co, it's time to upload them to your 3upload.com account. This is where the magic happens. Uploading is straightforward. Log into your 3upload.com account and navigate to the upload section. There you can select the songs you've downloaded. This platform accepts various audio file formats, making it convenient for you to share your music. After the uploading process is complete, 3upload.com will generate a unique link for each of your uploaded songs. These links are essential, as they serve as your ticket to earning money. When others access these links to listen to the music, you'll start making money. So, to recap, download the music from mixkit.co, upload them to your 3upload.com account, and make sure to keep those generated links safe. In the next step, I'll explain how sharing these links can help you earn over $150 per day without sweat. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Step 4. Sharing makes the money going. Now that you have those precious links generated by 3upload.com, it's time to start sharing them with people. The process is as simple as copying the link provided by 3upload.com and sharing it with your audience. You can do this through various channels such as social media, email, or even on your own blog or website. When others click on the links and download or listen to the music, that's where the magic of 3upload.com comes into play. They have a system in place to track the number of downloads and plays your links receive. For every download or play generated through your link, you'll start earning money. So, the more people you share your links with, the more potential there is to earn over $150 per day simply by listening to songs. Now it's so simple, right? You can leave now if you want to, but you'll surely miss out on those $150 per day without our strategies. That's right! I'll reveal some strategies to maximize your earnings and give you tips on how to effectively share your music links in a while. Earning mechanism. But before those strategies, let's first talk about the exciting part. Your earnings. 3upload.com offers a dynamic system where your income depends on the countries from which your downloaders hail. Different countries fall into different tiers, and your earnings vary accordingly. For instance, Tier 1 countries like the United States and Canada are the top tier, where you can earn as much as $7 for each download. On the other hand, Tier 3 countries like Russia are still great, offering $4 per download. But what's even better is the flexibility in payment methods. 3upload.com provides multiple options to receive your hard-earned cash, making it convenient for you. You can choose to be paid through Bitcoin, PayPal, or explore other payment alternatives available. The secret ingredients. Now here comes the strategies. I don't know what to put in a bread and butter sandwich, but what completes this money sandwich of yours is the secret ingredient. Drumroll, please. YouTube. To maximize your earnings with 3upload.com, consider leveraging YouTube to attract more people to download your music. Create YouTube videos. Start by producing YouTube videos that showcase popular sound effects for YouTube videos. You can find a vast array of these sound effects on Mixkit.co. Ensure your videos are of high quality and visually engaging to capture the attention of potential viewers. Incorporate 3upload.com links. In the descriptions of your YouTube videos, include the links to your music files on 3upload.com. Make it clear that these music files are available for download, and that viewers can access them via your provided links. Target YouTube's huge audience. YouTube boasts a massive user base, with millions of content creators actively looking for sound effects to enhance their videos. By offering these sound effects through your links, you tap into a potentially vast and eager audience. Encourage downloads. In your video descriptions, emphasize the utility and quality of the sound effects you're sharing. Mention that these are free and available for use in their videos, which can make them more appealing to content creators. Promote. 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 Why limit yourself in YouTube? Promote your YouTube channel on other platforms as well to attract more subscribers and viewers. The more views your videos get, the higher the chances that viewers will download the sound effects you provide, boosting your earnings. Consistency is key. Upload new videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and returning for more sound effects. The more content you create, the greater your potential for earnings. By leveraging YouTube, you can reach a broader audience of content creators and viewers who are actively seeking sound effects to enhance their videos. With the right approach and consistency, you can significantly optimize your earnings with 3upload.com. The Pivot Online Verdict. In conclusion, the 3upload.com offers a unique opportunity to earn money by sharing music files. By following the steps outlined in the video, you can potentially generate income. However, it's crucial to approach this method with caution and a clear understanding of its legal and ethical implications. The strategy of using YouTube to promote your shared music files can significantly enhance your earnings. YouTube's vast audience of content creators and viewers presents a promising avenue to attract downloads and boost your income. Remember that success with this method may vary, and it's essential to ensure that you have the proper rights to distribute the music you share. Always act ethically and abide by the rules and regulations of the platforms you use. As with any online money-making opportunity, it's important to exercise diligence, be cautious of potential scams, and explore other legitimate methods that align with your skills and interests. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.